Hey y'all, thank y'all so much for clicking on this video. I am Diana. I am the soap and body care maker here at Dried Up Scented Candles, and today we will be making our whipped body butter. They are the fluffiest and softest body butters. I absolutely love them. Alright, so first I'm going in with the Shea butter. Okay, so next we're going in with some mango butter, and then after this it'll be cocoa butter. So I find that the wafers are a lot easier to measure your cocoa butter out, because cocoa butter is very hard when you first get it, especially like wholesale. They give you blocks and they're extremely hard and messy to do it, so I like to get the wafers because they're just so much easier. And then also, the more cocoa butter you add, the firmer your body butter will be. So if you want it soft and fluffy, add less cocoa butter. I like to add cocoa butter because it is a great benefit to your skin, but then also it helps the body butter firm up and create peaks. And then next we are going in with some coconut oil. Alright, so next we're going in with some pure olive oil. I get mine from Sam's Club. I find that it is a lot cheaper to just get it in bulk at Sam's Club versus a regular grocery store. Or Costco's, like any type of store like that. Alright, so I'm adding argan oil to the mix. And then I'm going in with some jojoba oil. Next, I'm adding some sunflower seed oil. Alright, so then I'm going to add some sweet almond oil and then also a little bit of castor oil. Alright, so now I'm just going to put this on a double boiler so that it can melt our butters and oils. And this is what it looks like when it's all melted together and combined. So then I'm just going to put this in the refrigerator for about 3 to 5 hours. This is about the halfway mark when it's firm but still jiggly. Okay, so this is what it should look like after about 3 to 5 hours. It depends on how cold your refrigerator is, really. This took me probably about 4 hours to do. It is like firm, but it's not so firm that I can't move it and I can't manipulate it. It's still soft. This is about prime time to take it out of the refrigerator. And if yours get a little too firm, just leave it out for about 30 minutes and then try it again, and it should soften up in room temperature air. And then now I'm just transferring all the oils and butters into my mixer bowl. So I have a stand mixer, and I think that it helps tremendously on these body butters because I don't have to do it by hand. I can kind of set it and forget it. But if you do not have a stand mixer, then you can always do this with an electric mixer or a hand mixer. Now the hand mixer will give you muscles by the end, but it is doable. The electric mixer will be the next best thing under a stand mixer. I like to use the whisk attachment better than the paddle just because it gives me fluffier body butter end product. But I put this on high for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then I came back, checked it, and stirred in between. So this is what it looked like at the 5-minute mark, and then this is what it looked like closer to the 11-minute mark. It's a lot fluffier, it's bigger, it's double the volume, and when I pull out my attachment, you see that peak right there? Yes, honey, that peak is what you are looking for. If your body butter does not peak, what are you doing? So I'm just scraping off all of the body butter and then separating the bowl. I'm just going to give it a good hand mix to make sure that all of the butters and oils from the bottom got incorporated in there. Oh, y'all, look at it. It's so soft and fluffy. It just looks like whipped cream. I promise you it do. But it is not edible. Do not consume this product. Even though temptation is definitely there, do not. Yes, so now I am separating it into a different bowl so that I can add my fragrant oil. I do not scent the entire bowl of whipped body butter just because it's so many scents that we offer, and that is a big batch of body butter, so I like to separate in my bowl based on how many jars I'm making. So I know that 2 of the spatula size scoops will give me about 2 8-ounces or an 8-ounce and a 4-ounce jar. So now I am just going in with my essential oils. I believe this is pink grapefruit. Yeah, I see the sticker. So this is pink grapefruit that I'm going in with, and I do not measure, sorry y'all, but just kind of eyeball it. No more than about 0.5 ounces. You have to read the back on your label to get the usage rate, and make sure that it says body safe, because there are some fragrant oils that do not say body safe, and then they will leave you bumpy and rashy. Okay, no ma'am. So I just like to mix this up really well. Make sure that oil is incorporated. So for the products that we sell online, this will be the final step. We do not add any mica powders or anything extra to them to leave them as natural as possible. So this is what you will be receiving if you ordered the products from our website. But I will show you how to add colors and extra stuff if you are interested in that for your body butters personally. So I like to color it with mica powders. Here we have an orange and a pink, and then I'm going in with some biodegradable glitter that I got from Mad Micas, I believe. And then I'm just going to mix that up really well to make sure there's no more mica chunks or mica like clumps. Yeah, so then this will be the final step if you decided to add mica colors to color it. The reason we don't is just because some people skin are more sensitive than others, and we kind of like to make sure our products are available to all types of skin types, so we just kind of leave it with no color. I may come out with a line later on that it's like a colored line with mica, just for people that like attractiveness to it. But this is a little demo showing off the product. So moisturizing. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.